Welcome back to the showroom, where style meets reliability. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most trusted commuter bikes in its segment, the Honda Shine 125. From the very first glance, the Shine 125 carries a clean and premium design. Its sleek body lines, chrome accents, and elegant fuel tank give it a refined look that stands out without being too aggressive. This is a bike designed for everyday riders who value both style and simplicity. Under the tank, the Shine 125 is powered by a 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine. It delivers smooth performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and low maintenance, exactly what you expect from Honda engineering. Whether you're riding through city traffic or cruising on open roads, the power delivery feels stable and comfortable. One of the biggest strengths of this bike is its comfort. The long seat, upright riding position, and well-tuned suspension make it perfect for daily commuting. Even on rough roads, the Shine handles bumps with ease, giving you a relaxed riding experience. When it comes to features, the Shine 125 keeps things practical. It offers a silent start system, smooth gearbox, and reliable braking setup with CBS for added safety. Everything about this bike is built to make your daily ride easier and more efficient. Fuel efficiency is another highlight. The Shine 125 is known for delivering impressive mileage, making it a budget-friendly option for riders who travel daily. And let's not forget durability. Honda bikes are famous for long life and strong resale value, and the Shine 125 proudly continues that legacy. So, if you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and fuel-efficient commuter bike that you can trust for years, the Honda Shine 125 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next showroom review.